Welcome to Auto Flair, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting car updates. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, a family minivan that blends efficiency, comfort, and modern technology like never before. Chrysler has stepped up the game by making the Pacifica Hybrid not just eco-friendly, but also smarter and more luxurious. The 2025 Pacifica Hybrid continues to offer its signature plug-in hybrid powertrain, which means it can run on electric-only mode for short trips, and then seamlessly switch to gasoline for longer drives. It offers an estimated all-electric range of around 32 miles and a combined range of over 500 miles. This makes it perfect for daily commutes, family road trips, or city rides without worrying about charging all the time. Under the hood, you get a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with dual electric motors, producing a smooth and confident performance. The CVT transmission makes every drive feel effortless and quiet. The regenerative braking system also helps in recharging the battery as you drive, adding more efficiency to your ride. The 2025 Pacifica Hybrid is loaded with modern exterior styling. It carries a sleek, bold front grille, LED headlamps, and 17 to 20-inch alloy wheels that give it a sophisticated yet practical look. Power sliding doors and a hands-free liftgate make access easy, even with your hands full. Inside, the cabin is designed for maximum family comfort and tech convenience. It offers seating for 7 with premium quilted Napa leather available in higher trims. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system features a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa built in. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and an optional rear seat entertainment system make this the ultimate road trip machine. One of the highlights of the 2025 Pacifica Hybrid is the Advanced Safety Suite. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Chrysler continues to prioritize your family's safety with every mile. You also get the unique stow-and-go seating in the non-hybrid version, but the hybrid still offers plenty of underfloor storage. The cargo area is generous, and with the rear seats folded down, you get a huge flat space for all your gear. Whether you're a tech lover, a parent, or someone who wants to save on fuel, the 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid checks all the boxes. Stylish, smart, and sustainable, it's more than just a minivan. It's a modern family solution on wheels. Subscribe now to Auto Flair for more fresh car content and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.